Stop. That's a cool. I got a cool shot of you. Dude, what you doing, bruh? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Shit, it's so wet. Look. I'm still sick. Can't fucking believe. Stupid dog. Dude, my shoes are all freaking wet. Like, oh my god. Just trying to film some cool shots in the rain with a doggy. But this dude makes it really freaking difficult to film anything. Because she's always going somewhere where I'm not going. And when I'm trying to stop for a second, she's going. And when I'm trying to go, she's stopping. Freaking dogs. Am I right? Am I right? Oh my god, look at that. Shit. It doesn't focus. Shit, freaking. That's what you get when you're filming with your freaking phone. Look at her. Look at her being a little shit. Hey, little shit. Come on. Oh, you listen to me. What a miracle. Let's get on a boat. Dude. Come on, man. Don't get offended when I call you a man. Even though you're a girl. A girl. Dude, seriously, what the fuck's in there? Don't. If you're gonna eat something, I'm gonna freaking kill you. No, I'm not gonna, because you're cute. Come on. You're so. Dude, stop being a dog. Be a person. A person. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Oh my god, what a shot. Look at this. Super rainy. This is a Finnish summer, if you can call it summer. Dude, seriously. We just discussed about this. Dude. Seriously. Stop being a pain in my butt. Let's take the boat. Dude, don't! Bro, what did you eat? What are you eating? Stop eating! Dude, come here. What you eat? Dude. This is why we can't have nice things, dude. This is seriously why we can't have nice things. Why am I yelling? There's people here. I should go home. I'm getting more sick and sick. And I'm sniffling. And I'm coughing. And she's liking it. My shoes are all freaking wet. My face is all freaking wet. The freaking lake is freaking... Okay. I'm just gonna stop. I'm just gonna go. Leave this place. Just go somewhere else. Come on. Baby, come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Let's go home. Come on. Do you hear me? Let's go home. You usually don't like the rain. Like, I'm enjoying it. I don't know why, though. Seriously, bro, I'm dripping water, dude. Come on, this is exploring, sniffling. Like the good smells here. Oh my god, there must be a rabbit somewhere. Oh my god. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on, let's go. Are you happy now? I'm all wet. Because he wanted to sniff stuff. Dude. I love her. She's a cutie. Say thanks for watching. Say it. Dude. Say it. Look at it. Look at the camera. Thank you. Thanks for watching, guys. See you sometime. Maybe. First real life video. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you like the freaking husky. It's a husky, look at that. Look at that. Okay. See you guys later. Peace.